The bee, nature's tiny miracle workers, bees are one of the most remarkable creatures on Earth. Despite their small size, they play an outsized role in maintaining ecosystems, supporting agriculture, and inspiring human innovation. From their intricate social structures to their critical role in pollination, bees are essential to life as we know it. Yet, they face unprecedented threats in today's rapidly changing world. In this documentary, we'll explore the fascinating world of bees, uncovering their biology, behavior, and the vital importance they hold for the planet. And bees belong to the order Hymenoptera, which also includes ants and wasps. Among the approximately 20,000 species of bees worldwide, the honeybee, Apis mellifera, is perhaps the most well-known. Bees are found on every continent except Antarctica, thriving in diverse habitats ranging from lush tropical forests to arid deserts. Wherever they exist, bees contribute to the intricate web of life through their remarkable ability to pollinate plants. Pollination is the process by which pollen is transferred from one flower to another, enabling fertilization and the production of seeds. Bees are among the most efficient pollinators in the animal kingdom. As they move from flower to flower in search of nectar, they inadvertently transfer pollen, ensuring the reproduction of countless plant species. This process not only sustains ecosystems, but also underpins global food production. Approximately 70% of the world's crops, including fruits, vegetables, and nuts, rely on pollination. Almonds, blueberries, apples, and tomatoes are just a few examples of the many foods we owe to bees. Without their efforts, these crops would decline, leading to a dramatic reduction in agricultural yields and biodiversity. Bees are, quite literally, the unsung heroes of our dinner tables. The life of a bee revolves around the hive, a marvel of natural engineering. Honeybee colonies, for instance, are highly organized societies with a division of labor that rivals human systems. Each hive is led by a single queen, whose primary role is to lay eggs. Worker bees, all female, are responsible for tasks such as foraging, cleaning, and caring for the young. Male drones, on the other hand, exist solely to mate with the queen. Worker bees live relatively short but industrious lives, typically lasting a few weeks to a couple of months depending on the season. Their roles within the hive change as they age, starting with cleaning duties before progressing to tasks such as feeding larvae, producing wax, and eventually foraging for nectar and pollen. Each worker bee can visit hundreds of flowers in a single day, tirelessly collecting resources to sustain the hive. One of the most fascinating aspects of bee behavior is their communication. And bees use a unique waggle dance to share information about the location of food sources. This dance, performed on the honeycomb, conveys both the direction and distance of the flowers relative to the hive. The precision and efficiency of this communication system highlight the intelligence and adaptability of bees. The production of honey is another remarkable feat of bee ingenuity. After collecting nectar from flowers, worker bees store it in their honey stomachs and return to the hive. There, they pass the nectar to other bees, who chew it and break it down into simpler sugars. The nectar is then deposited into honeycomb cells and fanned with the bee's wings to evaporate moisture, creating the thick, golden substance we know as honey. Honey serves as a vital food source for the colony, especially during winter when flowers are scarce. While honeybees often take center stage, it's important to recognize the incredible diversity of bee species. Bumblebees, for instance, are larger and hairier than honeybees, making them particularly effective at pollinating certain plants, such as tomatoes and blueberries. Solitary bees, like mason bees and leafcutter bees, do not live in colonies but are equally valuable pollinators. Each species contributes uniquely to the ecosystem, highlighting the importance of preserving biodiversity. Despite their ecological importance, bees face a multitude of threats. Habitat loss, caused by urbanization, deforestation, and agricultural expansion, has drastically reduced the availability of flowers and nesting sites. Climate change further exacerbates these challenges, by altering blooming patterns and disrupting the delicate balance between bees and the plants they pollinate. Pesticides, particularly neonicotinoids, have emerged as a significant danger to bees. These chemicals, designed to protect crops from pests, can have lethal and sublethal effects on bees, impairing their navigation, reproduction, and immune systems. The widespread use of pesticides has contributed to the alarming phenomenon known as colony collapse disorder, CCD, in which entire bee colonies suddenly disappear. Pathogens and parasites, such as the varroa mite and nosema fungus, also threaten bee populations. The varroa mite, in particular, has devastated honeybee colonies worldwide by feeding on bees and spreading viruses. These challenges, combined with the pressures of modern agriculture, have led to a global decline in bee populations, raising concerns about the future of pollination and food security. Efforts to protect bees are gaining momentum worldwide. Conservation initiatives focus on creating bee-friendly habitats, such as wildflower meadows and urban gardens, to provide food and shelter for pollinators. Reducing the use of harmful pesticides and adopting sustainable farming practices are critical steps in safeguarding bee populations. Beekeeping, an ancient practice that dates back thousands of years, is also playing a vital role in conservation. Modern beekeepers manage hives not only to harvest honey, but also to support pollination and raise awareness about the challenges bees face. By educating communities and advocating for policies that protect bees, beekeepers are key allies in the fight to save these essential creatures. Scientific research is shedding new light on the complexities of bee biology and behavior. Studies on bee cognition have revealed their remarkable problem-solving abilities, memory, and even a rudimentary sense of numbers. Understanding how bees interact with their environment and cope with stresses is crucial for developing effective conservation strategies. In addition to their ecological and agricultural significance, bees have inspired countless innovations in science, technology, and design. Their honeycomb structure, for example, has influenced engineering and architecture due to its strength and efficiency. And bees' ability to navigate using the sun and polarized light has informed advancements in robotics and artificial intelligence. And bees also hold a special place in human culture and spirituality. Ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Mayans, revered bees as symbols of fertility, community, and industriousness. And today, bees continue to inspire art, literature, and environmental movements, serving as a reminder of the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. As we conclude this exploration of the world of bees, it's clear that these tiny creatures are more than just pollinators. They are builders, communicators, and vital contributors to the planet's ecosystems. Protecting bees is not just about saving a single species, it's about preserving the delicate balance of nature and ensuring a sustainable future for generations to come.